to be cooking up some aleatoric music, also known as chance music. Now, this is a style of music where you are not in control of the sound. So who controls the sound, you ask? Well, for our music today, our music will be controlled by the roll of a dice. Now, if you don't have dice at home, there is a link to some virtual dice in the instructions, and I'll show you how to use both. Second and third grade, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. On your paper, draw 4 beat boxes on the left side. In the middle, draw a measure line, and then draw 4 more beat boxes on the right side of your paper for a total of 8 beat boxes. When you're done drawing this, flip your paper over and write down this information because it can help you if you get lost. So we're writing rhythms based on the roll of the dice. So if you roll a 1, draw a ta. If you roll a 2, draw a TT. If you roll a 3, draw a rest. And if you roll a 4, draw a tiri-tiri. Now, if you roll a 5, you have your choice of any of those rhythms. If you roll a 6, you need to roll again. So let's do some as an example. Right? Grab your dice and roll. We rolled a 4. What was a 4? A tiri-tiri. So in your first box, draw a tiri-tiri. Now, if you don't have regular dice, you can use the virtual dice. Simply click on the word roll, and it will roll us a number. A 5. What was a 5? Now I get my pick. So I kind of like a TT after a tiri-tiri. Roll the dice again. It's a 1. We know a 1 is a ta, so in our third box, we'll draw a ta. And let's roll this one more time. A 1 again, so we have another ta. Keep rolling the dice and filling in the boxes until you have filled in all 8 beat boxes. Now that our rhythm is done, it's time to add the pitch. Now, the virtual piano has an advantage over the regular piano because we can mark the keys on this piano. Simply go to the word mark above the piano and click. Now we know we're singing do, which is the D. We know we're singing F sharp, so click the F sharp. And we know we're singing A, so click the A. Now you can easily see do, mi, and so. Now that we're done, click mark one more time, and we're ready to begin. So grab your dice and flip your page over. Write down this information. If you roll a 1 or a 4, write do. If you roll a 2 or a 5, then write the word mi. And if you roll a 3 or a 6, then write the word so underneath your beat boxes. Here we go. First roll is a 3. Double check what that's going to be. It's a so. Draw or write so. Roll again. It's a 1. We know that's do. Roll. It's a 2. That was mi. No, wait. Check that. It wasn't mi. Roll again. Another 2. That's mi. Let's keep going. Roll the dice. It's a 3. 3 is so. 3 again. Ooh, a 5. refresh the brain, a 5 is a mi. And last roll, it's a 6, which is a so. And that's all there is to chance music. Let's listen to what it sounds like. Now that our example is complete, let's sing it with the piano. 1, 2, ready, sing. So, 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 do, do, mi, mi. So, 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 mi, mi, so. The last step in this week's activity is to play your chance music on instruments that you found. Now, if you don't happen to have glass and lightsaber chopsticks lying around, well then just try to find 3 objects that will give you 3 different pitches. Let's give this a try. 1, 2, ready, go. Now that you know what you're doing, it's time for you to make some chance music of your own. Have a great time, and I'll see you all next week. Take care.